does not fall silent with a scream. There is no final detonation, no divine signal, no singular moment sharp enough to wake us. It falls silent slowly, in meetings, in reports, in compromises. It falls silent in our silence. While measurements rise and curves converge, while warnings are filed away and urgency is normalized, we learn to postpone catastrophe, to later, to others, to those not yet able to speak. The poles do not vanish abruptly, they yield. The seas do not boil, they lose balance. The climate does not collapse, it tips, decision by decision, comfort by comfort. We called it growth, we called it progress, we called it inevitable. While ecosystems disintegrate, we optimize processes. While the atmosphere destabilizes, we debate acceptability. While the future burns, we negotiate time. This is not a scenario, it is the logical extension of the present. And what follows is not the end of the world, only the end of our illusion of control. The sun has exceeded its measure, not in a single day, not in a single year, but gradually, relentlessly, it fractures the poles centimeter by centimeter. It heats the oceans, first at their margins, then in their depths. Continents rupture like glass in an overheated furnace. Tensions, long invisible, release themselves without warning. Rivers have become legend names on obsolete maps. Forests, torches, without fire brigades. Linear fronts of flame without boundary or restraint. The sky descends, a Latin vault of carbon dioxide, methane and ash. Light loses its color, day is barely distinguishable from dust. Grain survives only as narrative, a memory from another physics. Dust storms abrade the skin, and memory megacyclones traverse the globe. Larger than any forecast, more precise than any model. They dismantle coastlines and uproot towers as though they were weeds. People wander through once fertile zones, across soils that no longer hold. Children with split lips search for moisture in fissures that will never close again. We who understood ourselves as masters of creation now perish by the thermodynamics we ourselves unleashed. And the final cohort comes to see, slowly, progress was merely an elegant euphemism for suicide. In refrigerated catacombs, the remnants of decision makers convene. Scientist strategists, the same figures who once concluded climate summits with fine intentions. Now they present the ultima ratio, planetary goo engineering in its terminal form. Nuclear winter is therapy. Intercontinental missiles are to pulverize Antarctica, to weave veils of dust that might dim the sun. The countdown begins, a moment of silence, then malfunction. Forgotten targeting vectors, never overwritten, intervene. The warheads correct their course, recognize their original addresses. Ice is spared, urban aggregates are not mushroom clouds unfold above megacities. The measure designed to save the climate instead removes the disturbance. Humanity, irony on a planetary scale. From the ashes, forms begin to gather. People move with careful hands, patching roofs, building walls from scavenged stone. Small fires illuminate faces in shadowed streets. Rituals of water, bread, and shared labor merge. Voices rise in tentative harmony. Languages once lost, now softly echo. Markets form from debris, traders of seeds and memory. Clothing, marks, symbols, signs of culture. Fragile but insistent. Here, life asserts itself in miniature. Civilizations reborn in fragments. From the ruins emerge the few who endured the inferno, not saved, merely left over. Skin inscribed by beta and gamma radiation. Lungs burdened with silicate dust size that have learned not to search for horizons. They cross vitrified plains and loose caravans. Without destination, only direction. Water is drawn from impact craters, metallic warm. Food from contaminated depots. years, measured against half-life states have vanished. Ideologies evaporated, projections extinguished. What remains is the reduced protocol of survival. Shelters of scrap steel, ration drops, chronic intoxication accepted as condition. Children born into fallout know no alternative. They arrange cartridge casings instead of blocks. Learn to count by caliber. At night, the elders sit by extinguished hearts, not in dispute, not in hope. And they state simply, we have accomplished it. We have abolished ourselves. No outrage remains, no reckoning, only a great fatigue. The species lies down and waits. Then what was ordered arrives delayed, beyond any possibility of rescue. Ash dims the sun, snow seals the scorched crust of a failed civilization. The atmosphere stabilizes as temperatures fall, cycles reconfigure, Gaia convalesces.